Good morning, friends.
Good morning. It's me, Willa, your favorite.
And me, your second favorite, Ella.
Bro, we're gonna get soaking wet.
Yeah, no, our school sprinkles the lawn.
It's like almost 100 degrees outside. It's ridiculous, and they're watering the lawn in the middle of the fucking day while we're gonna drown.
And we're not even allowed to walk in the grass, like, because let me show you this shit. All right, we gotta be careful not to let it splash on us. You can see it gets the sidewalk all wet. I think we're safe right now.
Me, I'm ready.
Yeah, so no, I could use a little misting, not gonna lie.
Oh shit, but it's actually coming, and now that I think of it, I really am not ready.
We appreciate the clouds today, though. It's kind of just a big puffy ass. If only it was gonna like rain or something. Wow, I just got out of eating a little salad for lunch and after class, and it's like stormy. Like, look at these clouds, y'all. Do you hear the thunder? You probably can't. Oh god, freaking rose loud. But I think I'm also feeling a couple drops of rain, so that's crazy, because thunder, rain in SoCal this time of year is not that common. Whoa, I gotta take a bit of the sky. And my hat! I need to get a strap for this freaking hat, man. I guess there were storm clouds I was seeing earlier. Crazy stuff. Oh wow, yeah, do you guys see the drops of rain on the sidewalk? It's freaking raining! It's a sun shower here in the Inland Empire. Holy crap! I was not expecting this. Good thing I've got my straw hat to protect me.
Probably. Always pretty open.
The rents came to say hi. Oh! My backpack. Holy crap. Thunder! Thunder! Thunder on the mountain! It's time to feed Bort. Let me see. Here you go, little man. Come on. Oh. Hungry, hungry hippo. Power's out. Wee. People are yelling.
Oh, the cars are.
Oh no, now the AC's off. No, fuck this shit.
Well, the power came back on after a little bit, and now we're going out on a little walk. It's still kind of raining, but it's sunny and 99 degrees. My mom gave me this silly little bag. It's like a alien guy with little hands. And I have never used it, but just now I was like, my skirt doesn't have pockets, I need a purse. And my mom was like, here you go. And you know what? It kind of works.
Good golly, this is so good.
I haven't won this one yet either. I think it's actually
Cow
really
bikini.
Cute. Cow bikini. Yeah.
I mean,
so
every hot bitch needs one.
This could be good though, because then I could just do my OnlyFans set like right after, right now.
Fun fact about me is when I was a kid, I things off of the bananas. These chewy things.
Don't do that.
And I would chew on them like gum.
Oh, you're gross.
I was so gross. I'd also chew on hot glue gun sticks. Like,
Yeah. What?
I just love that texture, and that's why to this day I still love squid and octopus because of the texture, the chewy, rubbery texture.
Take one, let's do this right. No, I'm not the pilot, but I'm taking flight. Take two, let's do this, boo. Hitting like a fighter with a first name Fu. Now take three, rewind, repeat. Finna light a fire when I'm zipping on the beat. Now take four, let's do this, yo. Hop into it, come on, let's go. Let's ride, let's bounce, let's move, let's dip, let's slide, let's pounce, let's groove, let's trip, let's spin on the motherfucking beat, yo. Stack dash money like I'm Black Swan Shmino. Solo on the beat, then shoot you down like you Greedo. Go, got your speed, I'm blasting up like torpedo. On 21st centuries, Cuban Missile Crisis. Dropping bombs on all my songs, I'm packed with powder spice.
Alright, I totally switched up the fit in the middle of the party because it was just too damn hot. So now I'm wearing this Fenty bralette and these men's boxers from Goodfellow. I just cut the Goodfellow tag off. It was right in the middle. Like, I don't want that there. And then I've got this shirt that I thrifted at freaking Buffalo Exchange, if you can believe it. I paid $20 for this. I've found better shirts at bins for 5 to 50 cents, just putting that out there. Makeup stays the same, ditching the hat. I'm just flying free now. Let's get back out there. Also, I had one of these Create gummies from, I don't know, Drive-In. What is the brand of this? Anyway, they're 10 milligrams. So that was like an hour ago. And I don't think they're hitting yet, but I'll let you know. I also added Crocs to the fit. Juniper, do you like my Crocs? I think that's a yes.
Ace.
Can you not? I'm so sorry. What the hell was that?
Did you see a lizard?
No!
It's a flout.
It's my hair clip.
Oh my god.
Good catch.
That was great perseverance. Will's back in bed, as is her God-given right. And who wouldn't want to be in bed when you can suck on one of these?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, it's a whole freaking bouquet of penis pops.
What are you gonna do with these videos?
Put them on YouTube. Alright. Resetting. We're doing a refrigerator tour. This is a miniature refrigerator. It's kind of a retro vibe. Frigidaire. It has a little succulent magnet, and then it has this like silly like ice chest.
What's in the fridge? Open it.
Hey, some people
Open it.
care about this part. Wait, let me know if you care about this part. Alright, so opening the fridge with this little novelty item.
We're 40 seconds in. Open it. Please.
Okay.
Okay,
This is
thank
the
you.
inside of the fridge. To start with, we've got some, you know, little seltzers of various kinds, dog food. There's a dog in here. Did you know that? There is.
Dog.
Got some Stonyfield Organic Kids little like berry yogurt, drinkable yogurt. I like to chug these when I'm just like, need some drinkable yogurt.
Nice catch.
Stonyfield Kids Organic. I'm kid. Drink Stonyfield. Cheers. Continuing what I got from Trader Joe's. I did not get Stonyfield from Trader Joe's, obviously, but I did get Squishers. They're Gushers. They're Trader Joe's Gushers. Are those what those are called? Yo Plate? What the fuck are those?
Go-gurt.
Go-gurt.
Gusher. Wait, what are gushers? Wait, gushers are those
little
candies.
with the gushing.
Those are
These
squishers.
are so, but these are not Gushers, Gushers, or Go-gurts. This is Squishers. This is what they look like. They're squishy. This is just a little, when you just need a little squirt of gurt. There's two.
A what?
A squirt of yogurt, a squisher. There's two flavors. There's berry, which according to this little graphic would lead you to believe that it's strawberry and raspberry. These are good, these are fine, but they're nothing compared to my favorite flavor. just cherry. Oh my god. I'm so bad about leaving the fridge open. I'm like, it'll be 2 seconds, and then I've like cooked a whole meal with the fridge open.
Dads around the world
It's
are
bad.
mad at you.
Okay, anyway, Squishers. This cherry is basically guaranteed to be my favorite flavor of anything. Oh, and here's something fun I wish I could do. So you can refrigerate them or you can freeze them like popsicles. And that is top tier. I'll continue the fridge tour by showing you the freezer in this mini fridge. So it's like very small, and it's got this comically small ice cube
What the
tray.
heck?
It's so tiny. Like, they're just little cubes. Like, I mean, they'd be cute, but would they even get frozen? We're gonna test this out. We're gonna put some Squishers in the tiny mini fridge freezer, and I think I'll have to come back. It'll probably take like all night to freeze fully if it's going to. So I'll come back. It makes an awful sound too. We finished this. My mom actually made me get these as we were checking out. She was like, "Do you want those?" And I was like, "I guess so." And she's like, "Okay, get them, but we're gonna open them in the car." Cause I got my sweet tooth from her. So these are crispy peanut butter filled milk chocolate peanuts. So they're so cute. Look, like they must have been made in a mold, and they have this like, they look like a peanut. And so right at the same time. Cheers.
Mm.
Oh my god.
Wow. Holy shit.
Wait, that's so funny. I didn't realize that there's not a peanut inside. It's peanut butter.
This is a good snack. This is one I would highly recommend.
Update! It's like 2 or 3 days later. I pulled the Squisher out of the freezer, and you guys, do you see that frost? Like, it's frozen.
You guys,
Yo.
everyone on your YouTube is just gonna like be like, fuck Ella, who's this Willa chick?